so bad. I have a headache. Have you ever felt that way? That's our word for today, headache. And this word simply means when you have a pain in your head or when your head hurts. We call that a headache. How would you use this word in a sentence? Well, you could say something like this. I had a really bad headache and could not go to work. So sometimes our head hurts so bad that we can't do something. We can't go to work, or we can't play, or we can't go to school because the pain is just so bad. That's called a headache. Let's practice our sentence one more time. I had a really bad headache and couldn't go to work. So try using this word headache in your own sentence. Hopefully you won't have a headache today. And we'll see you back here tomorrow for another Word on WordWiz. Bye everyone!